Hello everyone and welcome to Dynamic Motors. Today we'll do a walk around of this 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 Laramie edition with a Cummins turbo diesel engine. It is a 4x4 four-wheel drive option, 8-foot bed, two-tone, blue and silver, all original. Very nice, good looking truck. Runs and drives well. Very, very clean. AC blows cold. Extra clean inside and outside. We just got her in, so first time, first serve. And it has 193,000 miles on it. Good frame. Alright, let's start it up. Engine runs excellent, transmission shifts smooth. So, here we go. Let's get the seatbelt. Yeah, it's hot in Florida. Summertime. Suspension is good, brakes are smooth. And we are back. Any questions, give us a call. We provide shipping nationwide and worldwide if needed. And we also do financing. Check the website for more pictures and details. It's dynamicmotorsflorida.com. It is a 5.9 diesel Cummins engine. Thank you guys.